Ball to the keyboard is shut down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Wait for the buzzer. Wait for the buzzer. Receive the 14. A big rebound and Taklan. Galido. Galido bumaybay sa gitna. Alaw agawan sa rebound. Ito na. Ito na. Torno pumukol sa frontera. Ito na Taklan. Ito na Martinez on the way to the basket. Bingo. 2 points Martinez. Galido ngayon. 15 to shoot, shot clock. Eto na. Eto na, Curry. Flagrant foul. Okay. 49. The clan of Titimon. Shot clock count to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And there's whistle, trouble. Jersey number 1, lose 0. Ito na sa leader ng Titimon to Alpahado Bumanga. Alpahado. There's a whistle. Para jersey number 1. Holding foul. Opposing foul. Lose 0. One equal pulled out to 0 and first team foul Cavaliers. Ito na Curry. Curry ng Titimon sa track out of the team. 10, 9, 8. There's whistle. Foul jersey number 17, the clan. Holding foul. Single personal foul, third team foul. Nuggets. The clan bumitaw sa 3 points. The clan. 49-73. Ito na agad. 13 to shoot of the shot clock. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Wait for the buzzer. Wait for the buzzer. Receive the 14. Good. Ito na. Curry. 10, 9, 8. 5. 2 points no 0. Ito na. Galido. Looking for the basket play. Andyan si Mr. Taklan. 3 minutes and 20. Galido bumaybay sa gitna to Taklan. Nangapay sa ibabaw. Wala ka shoot. Ito na. 2 points. Alindaw. Ramos ng Titimon. 15 to shoot of shot na. Juhele sa 3, ilista mo na, airball. Ram up 7. 15 to shoot of the shot clock. Juhele, the elbow jumper, allow. Big rebound Martinez. 10, 9, 8, 7. 14 to shoot the shot clock. 10, 9, 8, 7. Allow. Big rebound of Ran. Ito na. 15 to shoot the shot clock. Allow. Ito na.